Named colors in matplotlib. What named colors are available in matplotlib for use in plots? I can find a list on the matplotlib documentation that claims that these are the only names. However, I found that these colors can also be used, at least in this context. But these are not on the above list. Does anyone know an exhaustive list of the named colors that are available?
I constantly forget the names of the colors I want to use and keep coming back to this question equals. The previous answers are great, but I find it a bit difficult to get an overview of the available colors from the posted image. I prefer the colors to be grouped with similar colors, so I slightly tweaked the matplotlib answer that was mentioned in a comment above to get a color list sorted in columns. The order is not identical to how I would sort by eye, but I think it gives a good overview. I updated the image and code to reflect that Rebecca Purple has been added and the 3 sage colors have been moved under the XKCD prefix since I posted this answer originally. I really didn't change much from the matplotlib example, but here is the code for completeness. Additional named colors. Updated the 25th of October 2017. I merged my previous updates into this section. XKCD. If you would like to use additional named colors when plotting with matplotlib, you can use the XKCD crowdsourced color names via the XKCD prefix. Now you have access to a plethora of named colors. Tableau. The default Tableau colors are available in matplotlib via the tab prefix. There are 10 distinct colors. HTML. You can also plot colors by their HTML hex code. This is more similar to specifying an RGB tuple rather than a named color, apart from the fact that the hex code is passed as a string, and I will not include an image of the 16 million colors you can choose from. For more details, please refer to the matplotlib colors documentation in the source file specifying the available colors, _color_data.py.
Matplotlib uses a dictionary from its colors.py module to print the names used. This is the complete dictionary. You could plot them like this.
In addition to Boschwash's answer, here is the picture generated by his code.
To get a full list of colors to use in plots. So, you can use in that way quickly.